All right, it's May 11th. We got some nice storms coming in, so I'm gonna videotape the front coming in. Good action coming in there. I've been checking the radar, and the radar image on it is pretty intense. So I guess we'll shoot from right over here. The radar imaging showed a lot of lightning. It's gonna pour rain like fairly soon, so I don't know how much coverage I'm gonna get out here, but if I get struck by lightning, at least it will be on video. You know what, I may be able to get some cover underneath that awning right there. That would be cool. But it's May 11th, and what else can I say? It's storm season in the Midwest, so no surprise. There are no tornadoes in this cell, so just a severe thunderstorm. Nothing to wet your pants over. But you know, for me, a nice severe thunderstorm on a Sunday afternoon on a Mother's Day is kind of cool. Thunder's just starting to rumble. Not windy at all. The temperature has dropped, about 7 or 8 degrees. So I've decided to head up the hill here and see if I could get a vantage point of the front coming in. It's definitely getting dark really quick. A little light rain right now. So hopefully we can get something. I'm heading up the hill. I'm heading up the hill. We're going up to the vantage point. We're going up to the bird's eye view on top of the hill. Stay tuned for live action. All right, we got a great vantage point here, top of the hill, and here's the front coming in. Here it comes. Here we go, folks. May 11th. Here comes the front. Live from Libertyville, Illinois. The corner of Cook and Milwaukee Avenues. Live action, brothers. Yes, I'm your host, Kim7, your storm trooper extraordinaire. I'm already getting wet. I'm underneath a little bit of a thing here. This is a storm system moving about 40 miles an hour. Really quick. It's gonna hit pretty quick here. So I may have to scramble if the winds start hitting me head on. If I do, I don't know where I'm gonna go. These guys have motorcycles up there, they're gonna be fucked real quick. They're gonna last about 2 more seconds in this. Alright, here comes the wind. I think what I'm gonna do is take this to a little vantage point right over there. Just chuck it over there. Get underneath that awning over there. Wind's picking up real quick, real heavy. Wow. Really fast moving clouds right there. Like swirling really friggin' fast. Holy shit. Great perspective. I didn't know which freaking direction to go. You know, I started going on that way, and I'm like, all right, I'll come over this way. I should just stay right here. No hail at all. It sucks. If this awning comes down, I'm coming down with it. Very cool. Pretty fierce winds.